Good morning friends, myself Niranjan and you are watching the channel Quest. Today is 28th October. Welcome everyone to our today session of our regular GK series Today in History, in which today we shall look at some of the memorable events happened on 28th October in history in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Before beginning, let's have today's thought. You cannot reach for anything new if your hands are still full of yesterday's junk. So forget your past and think about today's decision and today's plan and work out upon them so that you will reach your goal. Now let's start today's session of our questionnaires. Question number 1. Which Irish teacher and social activist born as Margaret Elizabeth Noble on this day in 1867 was disciple of Swami Vivekananda? Answer: Sister Nivedita. Question number 2. Which Indian American business executive born on this day in 1955 was the chairman of PepsiCo? Answer: Indra Nooyi. Question number 3. Which Indian economist born on this day in 1963 was 24th Governor of RBI whose work is Challenges of Effective Monetary Policy in Emerging Economies? Answer: Urjit Patel. Question number 4. Which Indian poet died on this day in 2002 is known for his book Bangla Renaissance, Odia Poetry, Sabita and collection of stories Prakritira Parihas, Manpavan, Kamini Kanchan and Katha? Answer: Annada Shankar Rai. Question number 5. Which Indian Hindi fiction writer died on this day in 2013, edited the literary magazine Hans, founded by Munshi Premchand, and whose notable works are Kulta, Ukre Hue Log, Shah Aur Mat, etc.? Answer: Rajendra Yadav. He had relaunched the literary magazine Hans, founded by Munshi Premchand. Question number 6. Which Italian explorer discovered the east coast of Cuba on this day in 1492? Answer: Christopher Columbus. Question number 7. Which neoclassical sculpture was unveiled by American President Grover Cleveland on this day in 1886? Answer: Statue of Liberty. Question number 8. Which Swiss chemist was awarded Nobel Prize on this day in 1948 for his discovery of insecticidal properties of DDT? Answer: Paul Hermann Muller. Full form of DDT is dichlorodiphenyl trichloroethane. Question number 9. Which American business magnate born on this day in 1955 is co-founder of Microsoft with childhood friend Paul Allen? Answer Bill Gates. Question number 10. Which was the unmanned space mission launched by Soviet Union on this day in 1974? Answer Luna 23. Friends, thanks for watching the video. If you feel the video is useful, then comment, like, share and subscribe.